رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. I'd like to adapt the courtesies made by our newly appointed Assistant Superintendent to all of our officials sitting on stage and to all of you dear officials of the Division of Land of Luzon. And with special mention to our guests, representing our minister rather, Mahagor Iqbal, in the person of Bayan Bisaboyaan, Dr. Sorainin Moon. Good morning to all of you, amigas and amigos. I am pleased to open this management committee meeting today. As we approach the start of the new school year, it is crucial for us to come together and discuss updates, policies, various issues that will guide our schools towards success to address important challenges that will shape our children's education landscape. We will deliberate later guidelines from the Department of Education, the Ministry of PHC, as well as policies that will govern our division for this school year. It is essential for us to align our strategies and efforts to ensure a smooth and effective implementation of the curriculum and programs. As your school's division superintendent, I am committed to provide the best possible education to our students and to all our officials as a whole. I believe that this can only be achieved through open communication, collaboration, and shared decision-making. We value your input and ideas, and I encourage you to actively listen in the presentation today, as all our presenters have ample time to prepare for their presentation. As you notice, our Assistant Superintendent, Chief of School Governance Division, Dr. Zainuddin Abantas, is not around because he is on leave for a health checkup, together with the wife, of course, Dr. Kairon Abantas. Throughout this meeting, we will be addressing a range of topics, including updates on academic performance, the new curriculum, facilities, and so on. Later, ladies and gentlemen, I encourage you to openly share any concern or suggestions you may have in this area so that, inshallah, this year we can work together to develop effective solutions. Be a part of the solution and not the problem. Let us all focus on our objectives for this year, and we are expecting all your moral support. As educational leaders, we are all educational leaders in our community, it is important that we continuously strive for improvement and innovation. By working as a team, we can make a positive impact, inshallah, on the lives of our students and create a supportive and inclusive learning environment. For me, I am confident that today's meeting, inshallah, will be productive and insightful, and I look forward for your attentiveness. Thank you for your dedication and commitment to our students, and I am excited to work together to achieve our goals. Let us all have a successful and productive meeting today. Good luck to all of you, and magandang buhay sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat. Gusto kong i-announce ulit ang ating bagong guide vocal person in the person of Dr. Askaria. Where is Dr. Askaria? Dr. Askaria Sakarta Dalay, and our chairman for the Grievance Committee, the Division Grievance Committee, no other than our newly appointed Assistant Superintendent, Dr. Tesnima Magbao. Mula ngayon, sa kaliit-liitang problema, kaso, dipuparuan, i-address natin kay Dr. Tesnima Magbao. Kung hindi ninyo nakakalimutan, no, ako'y assistant, yan ang trabaho ko. As itemized, ASDS, that is really the word of the itemized ASDS. Ngayon na meron na tayong itemized, kung may mga problema kayo, punta kayo kay Dr. Tesnima. Ang sasabihin namin Dr. Tesnima, ang legend at legal. Okay? Huwag kayong magpapaniwala sa mga tumatawag na inuutusan ko na hindi ko naman inuutusan. Para tayo ay magkaroon ng harmonious relationship. Kasi napansin namin sa division, may mga kwento sa division nilalagay sa baba na sinasabing, sabi ko daw, na hindi naman. Meron naman kayong mga kwento at issues na iba ang ipinaparating sa amin sa division. So, may tiyatan mo, kaamay kuman, nag-give tayo a year and beyond, 2024 and beyond, na di tanong magpa-achieve sa harmonious relationship. Beware of the Surian. Beware of the mantis. This is now the right time to elevate our attitude and behavior towards work. Our relationship is for the betterment of our work together in support of our Minister Mohamed Igutban. Do not allow yourself to be loyal to anybody and to any group except to our work. For those who are coming into office, they will be saying to me that I am loyal to my work and I salute them. For example, we have here Ma'am Amal, and she is now showing up in the division office to continuously work for the division of Nanatal Suwan. Ma'am Amali, marangit, where are you? You will still be continuing your work under the CIT team. So in this way, I am arranging those different staff to have their work so that they can be empowered. They can be empowered. You are all empowered together with our division officials and division lead units. You are all empowered. So ganapag kayo, nagganapag kayo kanyang tulungan. Ayaw ko akong ganapag ko, nasusangan ako. Nasusangan niyo, na umanis na natulungan yan. Dito kayo na nga, kung ako terwa, igiyay suwan niyo. Ayaw ko suwan niyo mga division officials. Na mudas ka mo, na ayaw bis bagagatan na you are empowered and good luck to your work. So